How to make a paracord bracelet, the beautiful flower, without the buckles, without the jig, and with the diamond stop knot. Aloha everyone, welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for today's beautiful paracord project. Before we start, if you like this video on the end, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, let's start. Enjoy! So for today's project we're gonna use this red paracord 550, total length around 1.5 meters, and this green paracord also 550, the same length as the red one. So we're gonna find the center of a cords by taking the ends and pull it. So here is the center and this is the center of a green. I'm gonna just zoom a bit so you can clearly see. So we're gonna take the green and we're gonna make it behind the red one, cross it like so, and with red we're gonna simply take the ends and we're gonna pull it through the both loops, the red and the green, so through like so. Now we're gonna adjust this loop here. We're gonna make it smaller, enough for a stop knot to pass. Okay, and this is it. Now if you try to pull it, the loop will stay the same, it wouldn't transform. And from here we're gonna start with the basic cobra knot or Solomon. So the right side of a green on top of those two cord strands, and the left one on top of the green from the back and through the loop on the right side. Now the left one on top of those two red ones, the right side on top of the left side, from the back through the loop. So as you can see, we created the 7 cobra knots for my wrist at least. You need to count the cobra knots to cover the part from this end to this end here, so you have on top of your wrist around 3 flower parts of a bracelet and then the cobra knots or Solomon knots on it. So I'm gonna take the green cord on the right side and pass it to the other side on top of those red cords, and with the left I'm gonna do the same, passing to the right, cross those green cords on top of the red cords, and then with the right side red make it around, from the back on top of the green and through the loop on the right side, and with the left one the same but on the left side, so through. And make sure that you tighten it well enough, secure it, cinch it as you wish, and from here we're gonna take the right strand cord and we're gonna make it on top of the green, around the green, and through. So once more, tight it well and proceed. Now we're gonna make it under the green, around, and from the top through the loop, and pull it. With the left strand red cord around on top of the green and from the back through the loop, tight it, secure it, under, around, and from the top through. Now we're gonna cross again the green cords, and the same thing we did on the first knot of flower part, with the right side red from the back around and through the loop on the right side, and with the left one the same but to the left. And by doing so we finished the first flower part and we're starting the second one. We'll have 3 flowers on this bracelet. So this is the first one. Now the second, the same as we did before, on top of the green one, around and through. So here we are, we finished our third flower of this bracelet. Now we're gonna just proceed. We're gonna take the left strand and we're gonna make it on top of these 2 red cords, with the right strand on top of the left one, around and from the back through the loop. Pull it, secure it, and proceed. And now we're gonna create the diamond stop knot. So we're gonna take those 2 cords and we're gonna pass it around the finger. Now we're gonna take this right strand and we're gonna twist it and place it on top of this left strand. Now we're gonna make it with the left around under this right strand, and from the top we're gonna enter here into this loop and we're gonna make it through the loop and under this left strand here, and pass through again. We create the pretzel shape, and now as you can see from here, we're gonna take this left strand again, we're gonna make it to the right side, and here where this cord enters the knot, we're gonna make it next to this cord, or we're gonna pass it next to this cord and through in the middle of a loop, like so, or middle of a knot, as you wish. And with this right strand, we're gonna make it and pass it next to this cord here, so next to it and through the middle. Now we're gonna pull it together and we're gonna create the shape of a diamond knot. Now we're gonna rearrange a bit the cords to make the knot closer to the end of a bracelet. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. That being said, I wish you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Dale signing out. See ya. Bye.